Yo guys, welcome to the channel. This is officially day one of me documenting my trading journey here on YouTube, okay? So guys, I've always wanted to join this space, okay? Like so bad, okay? I've been watching a lot of videos online, on YouTube, on Instagram. Man, people are flexing, people are making a lot of money. And I've always asked myself, can I actually make the money as well? Can I actually make a living of trading? Okay, so I have decided to start as well. Okay, so before guys you say anything, okay, I know it's not easy. It's not actually easy because I've seen a lot of people lose money as well, and huge sums of money. I have realized, guys, if you're to do this thing and then succeed from it, you need to have a plan. Okay, and this YouTube thing is one of my plans. I'm going to be documenting each and every trade of mine here. Okay, my live tradings, I'll be posting them here. I'll be posting my losses, my profits, and any knowledge that I acquired during the journey, okay? So if you're a beginner trader or you're already on your journey, kindly consider subscribing to this channel, like this video, and also comment down what is your goal in this trading space. So let me catch you guys in the next video. Peace.